let's talk about it today. How to quickly add a projection zone. Click on the Settings menu, select the projection zone. Then in this window, we click the plus sign to add the projection zone. In the pop-up window, we take a look. And on the right side, this is the list of projectors. It shows the current system. These projectors have been identified. 10 projectors are recognized in the current system. Now we want to make every projector add a projection zone each. Let's see how this works. Okay, we choose this 1 to 10 projectors. Choose the first one. Then press and hold the Shift key to select the last one. Then on the left, let's enter the name of the projection zone we want to add. For example, let's type test. Down here, it has a pre-rule for the name. Click here. It has many rules. The first naming convention will start with a capital letter P. Then it is followed by 2 numbers. Represents the projection zones we are currently creating. Which projection zone it is. The name after that. It is entered by our user. The characters of this name. Okay, now we'll take this one, second to last. Hold the name first. Then just follow it with 2 numbers. 01, 02 and so on. At this point, we directly click Add. New projection zones will be added to the system. Then click OK. Okay, close this window. Click Close. Let's see now there's a test 01 here. Test 02, 03, 04 all the way to test 10. How about this? It's faster way for each of projectors. Add a projection zone. That in fact we can also quickly provide each one of projector as multiple projection zones. Okay, let's see. Choose the projectors first or enter the name first. It's all the same. We choose the projector first. Then let's enter 3 lines here. For example, let's enter A. First line, then enter, then B and C. We add 3 projection zones to each projector. Then this naming convention. Let's follow our rules. Name, and then give 2 numbers after it. Okay, click Add again. Let's look. It says that 30 projection zones have been added so far. Close. Let's take a look. Okay, there is a 01, 02, 03, 04, 05, all the way to 10 at B01, 02, 03. Then go all the way to B10 at C01, 02, 03. All the way to C10. We need to look at these projection zones on the left. And these projectors on the right. There's a 1-to-1 match. That is each of projection zones will correspond to the projectors on the right, and in the order of projectors. Matching them one by one is a rule like this. Okay, let's click the Add button again. So let's take a look. What about the following 2 options? What is the effect of each? The first one, Assign Layer Visualization Fixture ADI. What is this for? When we are using external visual preview software, when previewing the projectors, for example, when we use Depends to preview these projectors, we need to set the projector's signal inside. When we use Beyond, only if we provide a projection zone when this visual projector is assigned. It can control projectors in visualization preview software. What about this? That is, when we add multiple projection zones. When do them start? If from the beginning, the first projection zone virtual number is 1, the second one is 2, and so on, then the following option. Before we add a new projection zone, delete an existing projection zone. It means, in our current system, delete all existing projection zones, and then we can add these projection zones that we need. Like what? Now we need to add 15 projection zones. We select these 15 projectors, and then we're just going to type in the name. For example, let's enter AA. Its naming convention. We choose the second to last again. Okay, then we assign them. Check this place for projectors starting at 101. Then take the second option. Okay, then we click Add. Added 15 projection zones. Okay, then we close. In the system, only these 15 new projection zones we added. And let's see its virtual fixture number. Or in 01, this is 102. And all the way to this place it must be 115. Okay, so this is to quickly add a projection zone. Thanks for watching.